Hi boys and girls, it's Miss Pacetti. Today we are going to count using number mats. Are you ready? Let's do it! For today's activity, you will need the 3 number mats from in your weekly bag and our small bag with either trees or snowmen. First, we want to make sure we have all of our counters. We're using our trees or our snowmen for our counters. So make sure you all have 10. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 10 counters. Please pause your video to make sure you also have 10 counters. Next, let's look at our number mats. If you see, we have a number and then a working space, a number and a working space. So before we work, I want us to go through all the numbers and trace them. Do you know this number? Yes, it's the number 1. So we're always going to start our finger where the red dot is. So for our 1, we just go straight down. Do you know what this number is? Yes, it's the number 2. So put your finger on the red dot and we trace those dotted lines. Number 2. What's this number? Yes, it's a 3. So start at the top, follow down. All right, number 4. All right, we put our finger at the top, down, over. We start at the top again and go down. All right, next page. Ooh, do you know this number? The number 5. So we'll start at our top here, down and around, and then we start at the top again and go over. Here's our number 6. Start at the top, all the way around. Do you know this number? Yes, that's a 7. So we start at our top and slide down. What is this number? Yes, that's an 8. Now for our 8, it's kind of like a loop around. So we start at the top, we make an S, and come back. Let's try that one again. So start at the top, make an S, and come back. Good job. It's kind of like a racetrack. All right, next page. Do you know this number? Yes, that's a 9. So for our 9, we make the circle part first. So finger on our dot, we do our circle and then our line. Let's do that one again. Circle and line. What number is this? Yes, that's a 10. Now I notice for the 1 of our 10, it's missing the red dot. But just like our other one, we go straight down. And now for our 0, start at your dot, all the way around. Nice job, everyone. Now, we are going to practice making our numbers with our counters. So go ahead and get your snowmen or your trees and put them close. I'm going to skip around with our numbers. I don't want to go in order. So let's try this one first. What is that number again? Yes, that's a 3. So start at the top, make your 3, and now we have to count 3. Use your counters. 1, 2, 3. Good job. What's that number? Yes, that's a 1. Start at the top, down, and now we make 1. What is this number? Yes, that's a 4. So finger on our dot, trace, and then down. Let's make 4 together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice job. Ooh, we have one more to do on this mat. What's that number? Yes, that's a 2. Let's go ahead and trace it. And let's count 1, 2. Good job, everyone. Let's clear our mats. Now we're going to use the mat with our yellow and green borders. Now these numbers are bigger, so we'll have to clear our counters every time. Let's start with this number. Do you know the name of this number? Yes, that's an 8. So let's start at our red dot. We make our S and come around, just like a racetrack, right, for our 8. Let's count 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 trees there. Make sure you also have 8. All right, let's clear that, and we're going to make another number. Let's try this one. Do you know the name of that number? Yes, that's a 5. So let's start at our red dot. We go down, around, and across. Let's put 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job, everyone. All right, let's clear it and do the number right below it. Do you know the name of this number? That is a 6. Let's start at our dot. We go around. There we go. All right, let's make 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very good. 6 trees or snowmen if you have snowmen. Let's clear our board. We've got one more number on our mat. Do you know the name of that number? Very good. That is a 7. So let's put our finger on the red dot. We go across and down. Let's put 7 in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 trees. Nice work, everyone. All right, we have our last mat with our blue, and it looks like purple and pink. So let's start with this number. What number is that? I see a 1 and a 0. When a 1 and a 0 are together like that, that makes what number? 10. Very good. Now, remember, we start at the top. I don't know why it's missing its red dot. So we start up here and we go down for our 1 and around for our 0. So let's put 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good job with that. Last number for today. Do you know the name of that number? Very good. That is a 9. So put your finger on the red dot. We do our circle first and then our line for our 9. Go ahead and count 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There we go. Excellent counting, everyone. Now, this next step is super important because we want to play this game with our mats over and over. So we don't want to lose our tiny pieces, our tiny trees or our snowmen. So make sure all 10 pieces go in your plastic bag and count them while they go in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Make sure you zip it up nice so it's all set for the next time we play. I had so much fun using our number mats. I hope you had fun too. See you next time, boys and girls.